how much snowfall we have seen in the last 48 hours. Okay, 15 inches for Silverton. Purgatory seen about 13 inches. Telluride at 12 inches. Steamboat had 9 inches. Down in Vale, 7 inches. And then Winter Park have seen about 2 inches of snowfall. They are expected to have additional snowfall as they head throughout the rest of today. Windy conditions return back into our forecast for tonight. Light snow is possible on Friday. So let's kind of get into what's happening right now. We do have a red flag warning in effect for parts of the eastern plains, Burlington, Lyman. That's going to be until 7 p.m. tonight. Wind gusts up to about 40 miles per hour. But we also have a high wind warning in effect. That's going to start tonight at 8 p.m. and continue until Thursday morning at 7 a.m. Now, of course, we have been talking about snowfall, gusty winds, and we're going to continue to see these winter weather alerts stay in effect for tonight until 11 p.m. for this winter weather advisory for most of the northern mountains, even going down to the southern mountains. And then that winter storm warning will be in effect until 5 a.m. Thursday with gusty winds. Let's break down the timeline. As you head throughout your Wednesday afternoon, you're going to continue see bands of snowfall across most of the high country, especially for the southwestern part of Colorado, even near Grand Junction. They're going to continue to see isolated snowfall throughout the rest of our day, on and off when it comes to heavy to moderate snowfall for most of the high country. Some of it could even bleed into the foothills. Overall, we're going to continue to see that snowfall really until Thursday, but Thursday morning, that's when we can start to see a break for the high country as this system starts to move out east. Now, when it comes to additional snowfall, Rabbit Ears Pass can possibly see another 11 inches of snow. Winter Park could see up to 7 inches of snow. Loveland ski area could see up to 6, and then Evergreen could get a trace up to an inch of snow. So we just have to wait and see what kind of happens between now and Thursday, but those snow totals and the snow chances are definitely up there. Now, it's talking about the Super 7-day forecast. Today is a weather action day due to the windy conditions and the possible mix for tonight. Tomorrow, we're going to see much cooler temperatures, getting back seasonal, and it's going to be mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. But then Friday, I did mention we're going to have that light snow return back into our forecast, and that is also possible. We're going to continue to see precipitation chances for Friday, but then heading into the weekend, it's like nothing happened. We're going to be back cool but sunny, but then by Monday, we can be much warmer with temperatures back into the 60s. So it's a roller coaster of a week, but just make sure you stay weather aware and stay safe, especially if you're heading out to the high country.